Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the other two members of solar system. They are asteroids and meteoroids. What are asteroids? Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. It is believed that asteroids are the part of planets which exploded many years back. The asteroids are also known as minor planets. Then, meteoroids. The small pieces of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Most meteoroids are about the size of pebbles, and larger meteoroids come from asteroid belt. Where is asteroid belt? Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Meteoroids also known as falling stars. Sometimes it appears in the sky. And sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a hollow in the ground when it hits it. Larger meteoroids make bigger holes. This is about asteroids and meteoroids. And sometimes we can see the other beautiful scenery in the sky like a whitish broadband or white glowing path across the sky. It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy. And one more thing, our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akasha Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Now we can understand, even though the earth seems really big to us, it is actually a small member of solar system. And sun and its members is only a small family of Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way contains over 300 billion stars and maybe its family. And scientists prove that there are over 170 billion galaxies in the universe. These million of galaxies that make the universe. One of the interesting thing about the universe that is currently expanding. Actually, how small we are in this universe. Okay, children, I think now you understand about the heavenly bodies we discussed here, then stars, constellations, planet, satellites, and solar system and its members, Okay, then our chapter is over. Read chapter well and find out the answer. You have some questions today. First, what is universe? Second, asteroids are found between the orbits of dash. And third question, it's an activity. Prepare a chart of the solar system. There is a model in your textbook, page number 3. Okay, thank you everyone.